on our way to the lake. The girls are riding in the boat. Hey, Michelle.
Hello.
This is my daughter-in-law, Michelle. So we're just gonna ride around like we're some beauty queens in a parade. Whoops. So as you can see, I'm driving. Wave, Michelle. You're getting good.
Getting better. Fountain, I did it. You allergic to sunscreen?
I think so. Not allergic to anything.
How do you know?
I don't know.
See the turtle over there?
I think mine might have got off.
No.
Yeah, I think so.
Come over here and net. Come over here and net.
I am. Hang
Michelle.
on, I gotta make sure it got off. Yeah, mine got off.
Mine? Count.
You're good.
Hurry up, get
Straight.
it.
Okay.
Look at that, count.
Shit.
Who's got off?
Michelle, my bell. This is
Yours
fast.
get off, Michelle?
Yeah, because Counting didn't get it.
Oh no, what was it? Speck?
Oh,
I
it
think
hit
it
the
was a
net.
bass. Mine looked like a bass.
It was a bass.
Who was this?
Mine was a bass.
What's David's?
See, you can bring one right here. It's a bass.
It's a bass.
So we're like in a pile of bass.
Mine was a bass too, and he got off right when we got there.
He actually hit the end of the net when I was pulling it up. That's a good one.
Is that a keeper?
Yeah.
Dang, look at that. We need to go back over that. We had 3 at one time.
I know.
What you think, David?
We gotta let the poles back out, but I don't know how to do it, so I always make Count do it.
I'll send this to Owen.
Pretty little bass.
Yep. How far do you think you're out?
7.
David,
7. How far do you think I'm
this is so relaxing.
at? Where are you?
Lake Santa Fe. Oh,
You got pliers, Cal?
Yeah, they
Yeah,
should be
right
right
there.
in front of you.
Look at this, I know where they are. Holy shit.
It's a bad thing about the treble hooks in that damn net. You gotta get the treble hook
It's
out
not
before
in
you
the
pull the
net.
fish out.
It's not in the net. He's in his. He's caught good.
Oh, you got him deep.
Yeah.
Show him, David.
Hang on, they're trying to get the hook out of me. Shell.
Whoa!
Look at him.
Look at that.
You want to take a picture too, Carol?
Like a speck. What?
It's a speck.
Is it?
Yeah, bring them on in. Those are good.
Ski him in.
Get it?
Hold him up. I don't have to get him in the net. I don't have
It's a speck.
Woo! Big speck.
Yeah.
Wow! Hold it up, David.
to. Look at that, barely had him.
Whoa! Just got him in the lip.
All right, what about it, Michelle?
We are not done.
What you got on there?
I have a speck.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Oh, shit. Get. Before it comes out.
Holy no!
Is it wet?
No, because there's that one. We just went in that cove. It's got a big frame up in.
Josh probably don't like to speak to them. Going over to her.
Hello.
Yeah, let's have it.
Oh, okay.
Bye, Michelle.
Bye.
We had a great time. Put it in drive.
Now we're on our way to Rodman Dam State Park. And if anybody knows anything about Rodman Dam, that was a part of the Cross Florida Barge Canal, a federal project that was going to dig a canal across the state of Florida, and it was decommissioned and or reauthorized in '72 under Richard Nixon. And it's used to be one of the biggest bass fishing areas in the state. So I don't know if it still is, but anyway, we're going there, and we should be a good time.
Okay, we're off again.